Good morning! Welcome to the channel. This is 10 Paw Steph. I'm Steph. We're in Taganga? We're in Taganga, Colombia. Let's just go walk around. Beach dog, shall we? So Taganga is just outside of Santa Marta. So we're on the Caribbean coast, the beautiful Caribbean coast of Colombia right here. These are the Sierra Nevada Santa Marta. Ooh. This is the second highest coastal mountain range in the world. We're right at sea level, and then there are mountains that rise up way, way, way back there. It's totally amazing. I just got here last night. There was a mini carnival. It was such a welcome. This is my first time to South America. So yesterday, stepping on the ground here in Colombia. Welcome to South America. Welcome to continent number 5. I'm going over there to go hiking today. There's a beautiful beach on the other side of this mountain, or this whatever. So we want to go all the way over there. That's where we're going to go. Let's go. But this fishing village kind of got a reputation as an alternative to the city of Santa Marta for kind of backpackers, people that want to move a little bit slower. But I was kind of pleasantly surprised. I've seen maybe 5 or 6 backpackers. Which, I mean, I want the community to bring money in, but it's kind of nice when you get to pretend like it's your own secret place. Hey, let's go this way. I think this is the way to the Playa Grande. The big beach, or lots of beach. I don't speak Spanish. All right, guys, this is what I was looking for. I live in New Hampshire, so it's really, really cold. It's been a lot of snow. It was worth the $270 airline ticket for this. This is why I came here. I just wanted to be warm and walk in the sun, and see some cool cactus, and try to catch lizards. That's basically what this whole trip is. I've done no research. It's go walk. Ooh, it's a little bit warm. We have arrived. Taganga. I think that means conserve Mother Nature. Woo! I guess that lazy Sunday's working everywhere. So much going on here. I think these get awful full. These are restaurants, fish places. So those get full probably at lunch and dinner. Hola! And beach dogs. You can never go wrong with beach dogs. Hi, beach dogs.
Hi,
Ooh, the Caribbean. Looks like this place rents kayaks. Not at 8 o'clock on a Sunday, I'm guessing. Maybe when I get back. I'm gonna keep going this way. The trail continues to go. I don't know where it goes though. Maybe they don't offer kayak rentals. Maybe that was before. Oh. So where we came from, that's Playa Grande. So that's where we were going. And we came from over that thing, way over there. Around and up. And it continues to go and go and go. But also, I don't know if it's because I'm so out of shape. I'm a little shaky right now. I had to sit down. But I drank this Speed Max Colombian energy drink. I don't know what's in it. I haven't had an energy drink in like 6 weeks because I gave them up. Little shaky. Little shaky Speed Max. So a little bit later now, people are starting to go out for boat tours. So they're going to go to Playa Grande, where we went, and they're going to go to all those small beaches. Very cute. And there is Taganga, which is an amazing national park that's actually way over that side. If we had kept going on our hike, we would have run into it eventually. It is closed for, I think, 3 times out of the year, so the indigenous people can have the park to themselves, because it is like a coalition of 4 different indigenous groups that left the park area but still maintain it, and they have some really amazing archaeology and some sacred sites there. But we won't be going because this is for the indigenous people only this week, and I respect that, and I think that's really cool that they have that. This is the main strip in Taganga. Has pavers. All of the other roads, it's like this big T that's paved, and then the rest is dirt. And in various stages of dirt construction. This is really, really sad. They found a floater. They found a body at the beach. So the kayakers are just trying to get him to the shore where the police can do everything. So the beach is very, very safe. The tourist police are everywhere. The people were drinking a lot last night. It was a big party last night. The beach was crammed. It was a Saturday night. So if that individual had been there since last night or what, I'm not sure, but that is incredibly sad. All these people are swimming right there, and they don't know there is a body right here. So the kayakers pulled the body out, and the tourist police called the Santa Marta police. So I think they just got here, the captain. It's like a 30-something-year-old dude. It's really, really sad. But just seeing how differently they handled the unknown death too. The police were happy to let the kayakers touch the body, things like that. So just different than we would do it here. Church is the oldest building I've found in the town. And the town's not that big, so I think I've seen all of it now. It's the only building that I think has some significant heritage to it. Although, like I said, I don't know. That's all speculative. I thought on Sunday morning more would be happening at the church. It's not, but you can tell by the crosses. I think they do a passion play here. So on Easter, it's probably a happening place. You see that? I have a cold sore coming in this morning, or a fever blister. It's gonna ruin all my kissing that I was gonna do. Because if you know me, you know when I come to these places, that's all I do is kissing. All right, this is San Francisco de Asia. This place. Sweet. And it's got a really nice succulent garden all around it, or like a scrub garden. Because this is all at this low elevation in the Sierra Nevadas, where we're right on the coast. It's all this really specific scrub stuff that's really cool. But the building itself is lovely. Casa Cural. Get a little sneak peek inside the church. Beautiful. So the beach is down there, you pass the church. This is the hospital. And the hospital's getting pavement. Look, how exciting. This goes with the mermaid statue. I guess she's not a mermaid, she's just a lady. I think they're statues of the Taganga people. I think it's supposed to represent the indigenous people. The beach is separated into the two areas, so you have the fishing half and then the beach. And everybody kind of commingles here. Let's do some feral kitten catching. Hello, kittens. I caught one. I caught one. Mama's nice though. I got bit by the dog at my hotel coming in because it was dark. This dog made it pretty clear they didn't like me. The other one did. The guy that runs the place, his dog's super nice. The other one's kind of sketch. As I came in, got me. Just through the pants so that there's no just one broken spot where the tooth, yeah, so I'm just gonna clean it out real well. Dog's vaccinated, he looked fine anyway, I'm not worried about it. I'm vaccinated. But yeah, first day in Colombia. Saw a dead body, got bit by a dog, did some awesome hiking. There are bats in my bedroom. I was so tired last night, I did not notice. I mean, if they were even here last night. Complete lack of insect activity, I can say though. So thank you, bat friends. Hello, beach dog. Let's do an interview. So this is a beach dog, fisher dog. Fisher dog, do you have anything to say to the people? Good interview, beach dog. Good interview.